Hey, Brian from Garage Mobile Hall. Today we are working on, I guess you call it the side vent on our Hummer H2. And if you've ever been in a situation where you're getting these off and they basically break apart on you, and you're wondering what you can do for a replacement, I have a replacement for you. And then these two kind of came off, but you can tell how absolutely destroyed they are. So we have these basically body panel replacement pegs, and they go in pretty easy. Basically get them going in through the hole, pull it through, and then we're going to put the rest of these in. Okay, and then basically you are lacing them in, and then I'm going to put these on one at a time, just to kind of hold that in place. And I think I got it upside down. Yep, I do. And you'll hear it kind of like ratchet into place. And then basically we are taking all these on. And again, you'll hear them ratchet down. And then two more on this side. And then that is nice and secure. And now we'll work on a lot of your body panels as well. And then just like kind of like a knife to kind of clean them up. And there you go. Brian from Garage Mobile Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.